Hello, it's Jennifer from heysealemon. You have read the title of this video by now. It is correct. After years of you guys asking if I would ever sell my books, I am finally posting some up for sale in my Etsy shop. And you can find the card up here and the link also down below. And in the spirit of giving, I am donating all the profits from these book sales toward a good cause. This year, my family and I have been super grateful for all the help we received towards my dad's GoFundMe fundraiser, and I wanted to pay it forward or give back in some way. So not only will these make good Christmas gifts, but they will also be helping a cause. I've decided to group the books into bundles, so here's a look at what you can get. First up, we have the Harry Potter bundle. And please excuse the lighting, my normal studio light decided not to work today, so I'm working with an overhead fan light. Anyway, here's the Harry Potter bundle. You guys have seen this, it's been viewed over 1 million times. This book, and then these 4 Harry Potter house books. Each of these house notebooks is different, and I've made a tutorial for both of these. These would make a super great gift for any Harry Potter fan. Next, I am selling my Doctor Who River Song Journal. A lot of you guys have asked if I would sell this, so it is up for sale. Go check it out. And I am bundling it with the Book of Westmarch. So this is for any Lord of the Rings fan. And if you want to see the real detail of these books, go check out the actual tutorials. I will link all of the tutorials in the description of this video. So if you do miss out on purchasing any of these, you could always make your own. I have a tutorial. And then this pink bundle. So you will get all 3 of these notebooks. And yeah, again, I do have a tutorial for these. If you've been following my channel for a long time, I posted this Coptic stitch tutorial a long time ago. Since this is a pink awareness ribbon, I'm going to donate the profits of this bundle toward a breast cancer fundraiser. Next bundle is this recent bullet journal from Dollar Store Items. You might remember this. If you don't like the cover, it does come with 3 individual notebooks inside. So obviously, you don't have to use these books. If there's something you like from them, you can also use the material to make your own version of this book. This is the wooden cover Coptic stitch book. You might remember that tutorial. And then this was a very recent little notebook that has the lyrics from Here Comes the Sun from the Beatles. This was one of my favorite books, but I think I've had it on my shelf for a long time, and I think it is time for a lot of these to go to a good home and be loved by someone new. And here is a bundle of 2 hardcover books. This is a Coptic stitch with beads, and here's the inside. And then this is my old tutorial from my first hardcover book tutorial. It does have a little add-on pen holder on here. These are both about the same size, and they are both hardcover, just different bookbinding methods. Another double bundle is this Holo book. So a lot of the books I've kept just for referencing, and sometimes I end up using it in a later video. But I feel like, again, these should be going to a better home. I think they'll get more use from someone else. But just so you know, this one does have some urban sketching in it, just in the very front. So I don't know if someone else would like that if you gave it as a gift, so maybe keep this one for yourself, but you'll have some original heysealemon urban sketches. This one is case bound with a ribbon bookmark. This is a composition notebook turned into a hardcover with colorful page edges added. This one doesn't have anything in it, just so you know. Another double bundle is this traveler style bound notebook, and it has paper on the inside. It's a vinyl outside cover with an elastic closure. There is one saddle stitch signature inside. I'm bundling it with the seashell watercolor book. This is a old OG heysealemon tutorial. This can make a fun watercolor book. It has thick watercolor paper inside, and it's bound with a Coptic stitch with real seashell covers. another bundle, I have a book made from dollar store items. So again, if you don't like the inside pages, you could just hang on to the book as maybe something cool that you like from my channel, or you could also use the materials to make another book. And this is a really old book. I don't know if you guys remember this. If you've been following my channel long enough to remember this video, comment below. I will be very impressed. This is a duct tape Coptic stitch book with some different colors. So it's all duct tape. The tape is still intact. I don't know if you would like this enough to give it as a Christmas gift, but again, it could just be something cool as some sea lemon memorabilia. And then I am putting along some sushi books with this bundle. And if you remember this video, I would love to know that in the comments, because this one is also an OG sea lemon video. These do actually function as a book, and they're made of black cardstock. And here's your little sushi trio along with these two books. Before I made this video, I let my patrons and members know that I was making this video, and they had the opportunity to reserve any books that they may have wanted because they knew first, and they are my supporting members. So unfortunately, these have already been reserved. In case you're wondering, is that Outlander book up there? It's not, it's reserved along with this one and this one. So I'm sorry if you wanted these, but they are already taken. But I appreciate any other listing you want to look at or you're interested in. If you've had your eye on one of my books, or you want a piece of sea lemon history or a cool Christmas gift, now is the time. Go check out my shop. Again, the link is down below. And in doing this, it's also clearing shelf space, which will motivate me to make more books. So 2020, you will see more book projects. And if you have any requests for future book projects, let me know in the comments. Big thanks to my patrons and YouTube members for supporting this channel. If you would like to be the first to know about upcoming projects like this and upcoming videos, behind the scenes stuff that I don't share on my social links, check out the links in the description below if you want to join. Both have slightly different perks, but both help support my channel. So if you're interested, check those out. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell right next to it so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And I will put something related around here, and links again are down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!